This video tutorial will explain how to configure the transmission of data from your Aircom device. First, remove the front cover of your Aircom unit and configure your hardware. In this example, we have a single temperature transmitter connected. Now power on the Aircom unit by inserting the battery. Wait for the green LED to stop flashing. When ready, gently tap the indicated square with a magnet 3 times to enable Bluetooth. If you haven't already, download the Aircom app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. Please see our website for the link. Open the app and select the Aircom device you wish to connect to. The name of your Aircom device will be the serial number located on the manufacturer's label. Navigate to the Transmissions page. You can do so by tapping the Configure Transmissions button on the home screen. You have the option to set up to 5 different transmission schedules. This allows you to send different data at different frequencies. In this example, we only need 1 transmission for the temperature. To set this up, tap T1, then tap the Edit button. We can now set the transmission frequency and what data we want to include in the packet. Set the frequency that the packets will be sent. Next, if desired, set a specific start time. If not, the Aircom will start from the day it was configured. If you wish to set an end date for transmissions, check the Has End box and set the date. If not, the Aircom will run indefinitely. Finally, check the data you want on this transmission. For this example, we will only send analog 1 and diagnostic data. Once you're happy with the settings, tap the tick button. You will then be prompted to write the configuration to the Aircom device. Return to the main screen and tap the Download Configuration button. You will be notified by a green indication bar at the bottom of the screen when this action is complete. Finally, you can test your configuration is working properly by tapping the Manually Send Transmission button on the Transmissions page, checking that your packet is sent and that your system received the data. Once you're happy with your configuration, you can disconnect from your Aircom device and reattach the lid. The Aircom will now run the configured transmission schedule.